The Ha'penny Bridge was built in 1816. It was constructed from iron in 1816 and cost £3,000 to build. Prior to the building of the Liffey Bridge, passenger ferries carried the people of Dublin across the River Liffey every day. When told by city officials that either his ferries would have to have substantial repairs or the city would need a bridge, ferry operator William Walsh elected for the bridge to be built, as long as he was entitled to a toll of a halfpenny, or ha'penny, from anyone crossing it for the next 100 years. True to their word, the city allowed him to extract the toll until 1919, when the turnstiles at either end were removed. Officially called the Liffey Bridge and colloquially known as the Ha'penny Bridge. But at one time, this pedestrian bridge had another name. It was originally called Wellington Bridge, after the Dublin-born Duke of Wellington. It was renamed when the independent Irish Free State was established in 1922. You'll find Ha'penny Bridge a stone's throw from O'Connell Street, where it connects Ormond Quay Lower to Wellington Quay.